Hi there, my name is Shrikant Rathod and I'm a SAT tutor. I'm been preparing for the SAT almost 10 to 12 years as of now. Recently, I received comments from some students saying that they are facing some difficulties in understanding the explanation of the sample question bank provided by the college board. They say that especially the math part, they have given a way complex way to understand, like explanation they have given as a theoretical. So please make us in an easier way so that it will help us to understand and do better in our upcoming exam. So I thought let's make a series of videos to help out all the students of those type who are facing these kind of difficulties. So I'll be creating videos on math as well as English part. I can say in other words, I'll be creating a complete SAT course which will be uploading on YouTube, so you can access it and you can learn the concepts.
Let's solve the questions on linear equations in one variable. As I mentioned, most of the questions can be straightforward done on Desmos graphing calculator. So here it says, if 2x plus 3 is equal to 9, what is the value of 6x minus 1? This is a level of question which is very easy. Either you can solve it manually or you can use a graphing calculator. So let me do it as manually here. 2x plus 3 equal to 9. So when you take that 3 to the other side, it becomes 2x is equal to 9 minus 3, which is 2x is equal to 6. Now to get a value of x, divide by 2 on either side. That gives us x is equal to 3. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now question asked us what is the value of 6x minus 1. Substitute x as 3 here. It becomes 6 times 3 minus 1. So that gives us 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. So result of this one is equals to 17. So that's how we get answer here. Question number 2 here is, which is difficulty level of hard. Hector used a tool called auger to remove the corn from a storage bin at a constant rate. The bin contained 24,000 bushels of corn when the Hector began to use the auger. After 5 hours of using the auger, 19,350 bushels of corns remained in the bin. So initially it was 24,000, now it is 19,350. So how do we calculate how many number of bushes has been removed in 5 hours? Just take the difference of that. So you can do it as 24,000 minus 19,350. That gives me the number of bushes have been removed in 5 hours. So as I said, Desmos will be given to us. You can take help of it. So 24,000 minus 19,350, that shows us 4,650 bushes have been removed so far. So that is 4,650 bushes, and this many have been removed in 5 hours. So let's calculate how many bushes per hour. So I need to know per hour how many bushes has been removed. So how do we do that? So I can say total number of bushes removed 4,650 divided by 5, that gives me number of bushes removed. So just do it as you can do is like 4,650 divided by 5, that gives 930 bushes per hour. So Hector can remove 930 bushes per hour. Now question says, if the auger continues to remove corn at this rate, meaning 930 bushes per hour, what is the total number of hours Hector will have been using the auger when 12,840 bushes of corn remain in the bin? Now what we understood? We understood these many bushes per hour. Now they are saying that out of 24,000, to be like 12,840 bushes to be there in the bin, what is the time it has been taken? So I need to calculate how many number of bushes has been removed by this time, meaning, so just do 24,000 minus 12,840, that is the total number of bushes have been removed, because these many are already there. Out of total, if I subtract this, gives me the how many have been removed. So if you do that 24,000, I'm just continuing this, 24,000 minus 12,000, what was the value? So it is 12,840. So 12,840 meaning 11,160 bushes have been removed so far. So that is the total, what I can say, 11,160 bushes have been removed. And we already know auger can remove 930 bushes per hour. Now to remove this total, how many hours has been taken? That is the question. Now to calculate the number of hours taken, to remove all this total, that is simply divide how many bushes have been removed divided by number of bushes removed per hour. So that if you say 1160 divided by 930, let's do this again. 1160, that is 11,160 divided by 930, that gives me number of hour has been spent to remove these many bushes. So that gives answer here it as 12 hours. So I can say Hector used auger for 12 hours to remove these many number of bushes. So we should go with option D. Question number 3 is simple, as it says the difficulty level is easy. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? See, as I mentioned, I can solve it manually and I check what value of x I get when I am solving it, and I will be checking out the each option which gives me the same. So rather than doing it manually, let's take a help of Desmos. As we say, Desmos is the best what College Board added for this new digital SAT. So you just need to type it carefully and check it up what all the equations and what all the values we are getting. Type the way how it has been given. 7 times 2x minus 3 equal to 63. So when I'm typing it, it'll give me some answer. What it is? I'm getting the value of x as 6. See, I'm solving for x, it always gives me the x value. So 6 comma 0 meaning x first value is 6, second value is 0, which is indicating for the y values. On the x-axis, y value is 0. That's why you have to consider only x value here. Don't say 6 comma 0, there are two values of x. I'm getting only x value, which is x equal to 6. Now then, how do I do? Which option is true? Again, I'm gonna go the same. I have to type the other equations which has been given and which equation gives me the same answer for x as 6. Check it out with option A. 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. What value of x I am getting here? I am getting value of x as 6 again. So definitely this will be your answer. After solving, I will be getting the value of x as 6. So for sure A is the right answer. So College Board never keep multiple answer which has the same values. As long you got a one answer, don't go for checking the others, because definitely other way won't be true. Only one answer is correct out of 4. As long we got it, that's it. You can move to the next question. Again, this is the question which is a type of directly solved on Desmos. Difficulty level is easy again. What value of P satisfies the equation 5P plus 180 is equals to 250? So when you type this equation on the Desmos, please type P as either X or Y, because Desmos works on two variables, X, Y, because we are talking about in terms of graph, X, Y axis. So rather than typing it as P, type it as X. So you'll be getting the exact answer to this. So let's do that. So let me type it as what equation we have. We have an equation which has been given here it as 5x. You can also do 5y, okay? So just take a variable as either x or y. 5x plus 180 is equal to 250. So I have to search it out where the graph of the x is crossing x-axis or representing. What I can observe here, 14 comma 0 means first is always x. So the value of x in this case, or value of p indirectly, so p is equals to 14, for which this equation gets true. So you can substitute and check. 5 times 14 plus 180, definitely equals to 250. You can check, cross check it, but for exam no needed. Okay.